teine video siis puhkealad. Second video. Education places in Estonia. Esimene, see on kolmas video. Esimene video oli meil siis meremõisas. Teine video oli siis, me vaatasime seal Tabasalu ligidel. Siin on hoopis kaugemal, see nüüd hoopis ida pool Tallinnat. Sõidate Kuusalust mööda. Silt Kahale. Ja sinna taha läheb Kahale järv. Kui ligi saate olete tubli, siis seal on kõik eramaa. Aga, ja siis Loo jõgi siin samas ligidel, 17 kilomeetrit pikk. Aga siin samas on niisugused puud, ännid ja haavad, kuused, telkimisala, nagu sa nägite. I translate. Siis parking area, beach, mererand, telkimisala, camping area, lõkkekohad, fireplaces. We in Estonia, and this is vacation places, camping area, like that. And this Harjumaa Kuusalu parish. Mõtlen kohe sulle. Uurist on siis 5 kilomeetrit põhja poole. At Uri 5 kilometers to the north, where there is a Kahala lake. Yes, Kahala lake is not very big, but covered by private area. If you ride at Tallinn about Narva road 56 kilometers, even less 48 kilometers, and then turn to the north. Must be cool. First the right and the viaduct or something. What a second. And this is Tistre village and Tistre camping area. What you get here? Ja Tistre siis telkimisala. Tistre küla. Aga siis see Tistre, see Tistre asub Uurist peaks olema 5 kilomeetrit, Kahale ääres, umbes 5 kilomeetrit põhja poole. Siin suvel on kruusatee, nende summer is a gravel road, but now it's icy, like that, snow and icy. Ma just unustasin kuupäeva ütlemata. Täna on siis 15. märts 2018. Today is March of 15, 2018. Estonia Harju County, Kuusalu parish, Tistre village and Tistre camping area. Niisugune äär siin pandud, kus siis saab oma telgid püsti panna. Your tents here. This is a little bit table, first table. And parking area is end of this about 200-300 meters before sea, Finnish gulf. Ma nägin siin ühte kalameest ka, rääkisin talle juttu ennem. ütles, et Kahala juurde ei saagi nagu autoga minna. Et jalgsi peab minema 300 meetrit. If you want to go to Kahala lake, then there's a private or must be stopping in the local road and go 300 meters by walk. Mis siis siin huvitavat on? Et on väga libe midagi. Vaatust. Wait a second. Parking. Sing. Tere tulemast siis Põhja-Eestisse. Welcome to Estonia, North Estonia, Harjumaa. Saab ikka videot ei teegi, siin võtan paar lõiku veel, 10-15, maksimum 15 minutit. Here volleyball play and wait a second. And here is first like good fireplace, barbecue grill. The first with that table with roof. Prügipunkt, this is gas. In summer it's gas places. Garbage container put here. About 3 garbage containers, it's enough. Big one. 800 liters like that. And this maast tagasi. Teengi see 10 minuti. Other place for fireplaces. And this here, wait a second, very slippery here. Tule veel. Lõkkepuud. WC, fire logs and see. WC, WV, toilets, kukur. This is fire logs, kukur. Nii, kukur võttes välja. This is toilet for women, for men. Nice. Indian window. And here again, you can play football. And this parking car like that. It's not my car, it's fisherman car now. And this here is, if you're a little bit tired to camping or like, this is like park here. You can walk. This like I have 2 roads too. And this, oh wait a second, there's the sea. Meri on ka siin liidel. Yeah, this is sea. And this is about 600 or more meters sand beach. Ja seal on siis umbes 600 meetrit või rohkem pikk samane liivarand. Suht algus on kive ka palju, aga puhkamiseks ma arvan ideaalne. Tulete perega või oma seltskonnaga siin. Panete telgid püsti, ööbite siin 2-3 ööd. Isegi nädal. For family or your little company. 5 or 10, 12 people is enough for camping here. 2 or 3 days. Kus siis pood asub, nagu kõik küsivad, esimene asi. Kus siis pood, et nälga ei jääks? No loomulikult. Kuusalus on raudselt kogu pood. On raudselt Kuusalus on pood. Ja Leesis on väike pood. Nii et ikka pood jätkub. Where is storage shop for food? Yes, Kuusalus is many shops and Leesi is little shop, very little, but in Kuusalu at about 12 kilometers here you can cycling or go to with car. Leesi is less. Leesi is about 7 kilometers, yes. Only 7 kilometers to think about. It's good, very good, nice weather. Riding with bicycle 7 kilometers and back 14 kilometers. And visiting little bit nice village shop. It's very nice, romantic. Ja siis väikest pood, seal kuigi valik ei ole suur, aga nälga tohiks jääda. Ja kui tõesti suure seltskonnaga lähete, siis võtke juba Tallinnast või Kuusalust kaasa. If you're a very big company, then of course to make stop the Kuusalu before coming here and make your old stuffs. If you need logs more, you can do it. And I know there's I don't possibly say this name, but one gas station can buy. And Kuusalu, of course, you can buy fire logs and barbecue, coal. Jah, selle grillisüsi ja siis saate need puid. Et kui koha peal ei ole nii palju siin, need on suured võib-olla. Tahate kui põlema panna, siis nendes kohtades siis võtke paar kotti kaske. Mitu päeva oled, siis võid rohkem võtta. Kohe 4-5 kotti kaske. Külsütt võtke ka 3-4 kotti ikka vähemalt. Ühe kotti võtta mõtet. Siis tõlksutada. Joogi vett loomulikult, kui suurem seltskond. 3-5 liitrist vett vähemalt. Big company in this gas station or the Kuusalu can logs, fire logs, little fire logs for barbecue. You can buy 4 or 5 boxes, and if you have a little bigger company, you have access to drinking water, 3 or 4 canisters, gallons, yes, 5 gallons even, if you 12 people. And eating of what you want, vegetable or barbecue stuff or something, of course. Before you coming here, because this back end to the Kuusalu 12 kilometers and back here 12 kilometers 24. This means bicycle very long, not very long, but 1.5 hours. But with car it says about half hour. Tistre küla siis hetke meelde. Aitäh!